is...
You are on the fastest route. You will arrive at 11:15 a.m.
We have just checked out of the inn that we were staying at, and now we are going to a salad bar for brunch. We're gonna eat a lot to last us the 4-hour journey to Vegas. We just had our first acai bowl. It was good. Did you like yours?
It's very good. It was like eating ice cream.
Yeah. And we've taken...
Head north, then turn left.
And then we ordered salads to take away for lunch on the road. Now we're going on a hunt for a coffee because apparently there's this good coffee place nearby. Well, not quite nearby. It's on the way to Vegas. We have our coffees and now we're on our way. We've arrived in Vegas. A bit windy here. Currently waiting for an Uber, and then we're going to go head to a ticket booth to see if there's any shows tonight that we can watch, and then we're going to find some dinner.
Had dinner at Gordon Ramsay Burger restaurant. It's pretty good. Both very full right now, and we're waiting at the back of the Bellagio to get an Uber. We're heading to Fremont Street because we heard it was pretty good. Hopefully there should be some fun times ahead.
And where I'm going to drop you off is you'll just start walking east down Fremont.
Okay.
And you're got a good, I don't know, maybe 1.5 2 mile walk.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, great.
I'll be undercover for the most part until you get to the end. You'll see like zip lines that go down.
Okay.
There's a couple of different concert stage.
Okay.
Yep.
Usually Friday nights and Saturday nights they do a lot of free live music and things like that.
Yeah.
So you'll enjoy it. It's something interesting to see.
All right. Okay. Thanks so much.
Go.
Thanks so much.
Just walk straight down that way.
Yeah, okay.
You'll enjoy.
Thanks so much.
All right.
Have a good night. It's crazy here.
Lots of lights.
Well guys, that was a bit of an experience. Vegas is pretty crazy. Don't really know what to make of it. But it was cool to go and actually see it in real life. Check out the strip and all that sort of stuff. Tomorrow we're heading to the Grand Canyon. It's about a 4.5 hour drive one way, and we're going to try and get there, do a bit of a walk, check out the canyon, and then head back all in one day. So it's going to be a long day, but for now we're going to head to sleep, and we'll see you in the morning.